welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are subscribed, I thank you so much for your subscription. It means the world to me. Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe to the video, and you will get more updates. So today, we'll be talking about this and that. Our first thing is LA Lewis. But people, don't you see? It looks as if LA Lewis obey work and the DPP. Yes. Remember LA Lewis it guy obey man, you know.
Innocent you them.
They're ready.
Alright, zoom up snake eye. Let them see it.
See that?
See that? Paula Lowen.
Oh, free cartel. Put something up.
Some of them.
Yeah, man, make them see it, man.
Yeah. Let them see the picture. Come zoom up on our picture on it.
Yeah, man.
See that? And make sure lift up the man snake eye, make them see. See that? Now I take up our picture with them.
Yeah,
See
man.
that?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
See that with our ramp, see that. I ain't reaction for your blood
Yeah,
clot.
man. Makar down back now.
Yeah.
So Paula, for years now you have been keeping up Shagri, the Governor General afraid of her. Even Hanjo, everybody afraid of Paula Lowen.
Yeah, so she heavy.
Listen me, I want man alone me take her on a PJ party.
PJ party, level and blunt thing. So you run be like a PNP man then.
Ma golden afraid of her.
So why them?
So listen me, so Paula Lowen, Lego Vibes Cartel, Lego the innocent youth them. Because Snake I hear she did. The whole of the law firm called me and say, Emperor, you alone who can depend. Yes, she can't move. She come back and she work at Gibraltar. Like she had the DPP in the world.
And so the DPP Paula Llewellyn got to go. And now the Supreme Court, the judge, rules that she's in her role illegally.
But ruling on Friday has left the Director of Public Prosecutions, Paula Llewellyn's tenure in doubt. The Constitutional Court says last year's amendment to the Constitution allowing the DPP to choose to remain in office after an extension was expired was unconstitutional. In an oral decision on behalf of the court, Justice Sonia Wint-Blair said raising the retirement age for the DPP from 60 to 65 was valid, but allowing Ms. Llewellyn to elect to stay on was wrong.
The incumbent DPP has already reached the extended retirement age. This means that the application of Section 2(2) cannot lead to another extension in office by way of an election on the part of the incumbent DPP, as this is unlawful. Section 2(1) of the Act as currently formulated has raised the retirement age without addressing the extension of tenure in office. Consequently, any extension of the DPP's tenure under this section must adhere to the same process outlined in the previous Section 96(1) of the Constitution, which remains unchanged by the Act. The only lawful method to extend the DPP's tenure remains by way of an agreement between the Prime Minister and the opposition leader. Judgment is entered for the claimants. This court declares as follows. 1. Section 2(1) of the Act is a valid constitutional amendment. 2. Section 2(2) of the Act is an invalid constitutional amendment. 3. Section 2(2) is severed from the Act and is struck down and declared as unconstitutional, null, void, and of no legal effect.
The case was brought by opposition PNP lawmakers Philip Paulwell and Peter Bunting. Among other things, they argued that the government's approach to changing the Constitution sidestepped the role of the opposition leader. King's Counsel Michael Hilton says Ms. Llewellyn will have to step down as of Friday unless there's an appeal. The constitutional amendment was done without consultation with the opposition and brought to the House of Representatives and passed on the same day in July without support from the opposition. The DPP reached the age of retirement in 2020 but got a 3-year extension which ended in September 2023. Ms. Llewellyn has been in the DPP since 2008. Legal analysts say Section 96 of the Constitution protects any work done by Ms. Llewellyn since September 2023. The section says nothing done by a DPP shall be invalid by reason only that he or she has reached the retirement age.
She was meant to resign 2 years ago. or something like that. But they tried to give her an, matter of fact, I think she got an extension and she wanted another extension and that extension. I think so. Correct me if I'm wrong. But anyway, she wanted an extension on this recent. No, I know she wanted an extension, but I'm swear it's 2. Anyway, the news is just in that the Supreme Court say she's in her position illegally. So all of those people that she put away while she was illegal in her position, do you think those people will be able to appeal their sentences based on the fact that the DPP was illegal when she passed the sentence to them? Well, we will see, because there's a lot of people that got put away under the current DPP Paula. So we will see if we will see how this one plays out. So I don't know, like how them say she's illegal, is it immediately and she have to step down immediately? We need to go look and check out the Observer and get some more information. You know, I need to do a bit of more research to see how this story is really going. But yes, I just saw this clip where L.A. Lewis did our work goes up on her. Jeez and peace. These people don't afraid to talk about Obi, you know. I remember one time ago, you never used to hear, it's like that thing that was like a hush, just certain, you know, yeah, things are those things, are some things are going up in some far hills and some far country places. It's like it is so mainstream now. Like people just accept it like, okay, it is what it is. Go your guzu man and go get your ring and go get your, wow. It's just a bit, for someone like me, it's like, I just try to block out those things. I just think that those things doesn't have anything to do with me personally, or it doesn't affect my life. But I don't condemn people who seek to do whatever it is that they think is gonna work, because if you're in a situation and you find out that something is able to work for you, why not go for it? Because obviously you want it, whatever it is, to be sorted. So whatever works for you, that's what I believe you got to do. So for who pray, for who got them man, for who seek the answer from within themselves, whatever it is, whatever your belief is, or whatever, however you go about doing your stuff, when it comes to those things, it's totally up to you. I don't have an opinion when it comes to that, because people are free to do whatever it is that they want to do. But yeah, Paula Llewellyn is out. She's out. To the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. I know people, they don't want Paula Llewellyn fire, I don't know, because people just think that it's not that she haven't done a good job, but I want to say she do good here and there. But it's like people are getting frustrated because maybe of some of the more recent cases, or maybe because they think that because the party that she supports is in power, so it's like they feel as if they can just do whatever it is that they want to do. I don't know how that works, but since the Supreme Court said illegal, if the judge said illegal, it's illegal. Like, who am I to say it's not illegal? So I just saw it there. As they said, before she got court, before this came out, I think they wanted to do a retrial. I think they wanted to do a retrial for cartel. I don't know how that retrial is gonna go, because I don't know if they're gonna, what new evidence is it that they're gonna come up with. Like, what new evidence you're gonna have to retry him? Like, you have to submit new evidence. So I don't know how that one is gonna go, but let's watch, let's sit back and watch and see how it plays out. Yeah, so big up yourself, L.A. Lewis. Whatever you did, it works for you, and yeah, I figure, give to Caesar what is due to Caesar. Okay, all right, on to our next topic. The next topic is Ivany. Ivany is still in lockup. More than more than a week now. Ivany locked up, probably 2 weeks. She has been separated from her child. She have a I think her baby is 3 months old. So she has a 3-month-old baby boy, which she's currently separated from. But I tell you, it's like some people just cause problems for themselves. Like Ivany is a young girl that it's like me like her, because to me it's like she have a certain drive and she will get places. Like she will get places. She just need to do the right things, you know, because she has been in so much problems since she was in Jamaica. She get the chance to go to the US, and Ivany still carry on the same type of behavior. It's like when somebody is wrong, you have to tell them, say them wrong. Like you can't just put up with wrong all the time. It doesn't matter how much you like the person. Those things doesn't matter, especially when there's a child involved. When there's a child involved, you have to think about the whole thing in a different light. Now, ever since she's pregnant, she and her baby daddy has been going back and forth and back and forth, and they weren't together for a very long time, you know. She got pregnant very quickly. I think within the first month of she meeting him, she got pregnant. So it's not like it was a relationship. You understand? It's like, it is what it is. So she got pregnant for the guy. They started having issues. They started having issues and they broke up. After them break up, when she pregnant, the guy never had a helper. The guy wasn't assisting her with anything whatsoever, because he says he's waiting until the child is born, because you know they were arguing back and forth. And yeah, anyway, so Ivany, she did it all by herself during her pregnancy, right? However, she invited him to the birth of the child. So I'm wondering how she invited him to witness the birth of his child, but she don't want to have anything to do with him. I don't understand, because whatever it is that you guys were going through before, now that you have a child, you need to stop, put all of that aside and look about poor little baby eyes. Put his needs first. No, Ivany made a lot of mistakes, and she have a lot of people that is not giving her the right advice. I think what a lot of these people do is, and I think most of those people, I think most of those people are old people like myself, like proper adult that you're thinking should know better based on the experiences that they have been through, or experiences that they have seen throughout their lifetime. So why would you not use all of that information that you have gathered to lead the lady in the right direction, lead the young girl in the right direction? Why would you when she's wrong, it's like you guys, it's like you're afraid of saying. Matter of fact, when people tell Ivany that she wrong, Ivany block them. Ivany don't want to hear what nobody's saying. I remember when Ivany live, she was holding the baby. She was holding the baby, but her mom was saying to her, like, hold the back of the baby, hold the baby properly, like, remember his posture and all of those things. And you can say Ivany never want to hear none. Ivany say, all right, mommy, later, like, she doesn't want nobody to tell her everything. Now, if somebody like that don't want the mom to tell them stuff, is she really gonna listen to anybody else still? I would hope that's not the case, because you need to listen. You can't be just you don't know everything. None of us know everything. We have to learn from other people and look at all the wrong she keep on doing, and they keep on enabling this young lady to continue doing the wrongs that she's doing. Look at it now. Now she's separated from her baby because she never did the right thing, and no one knows what the outcome is gonna be. You have some people say they don't believe she get locked up and whatever, but if her public records is online, that would be a surety that she has been locked up. She's in detention. But let us see how this plays out. Ivany put herself in this situation, and when them say you lay your bed tough, You have to lie down in a tough same way because you laid your bed like that. You put yourself in this situation because all this problem just because you guys weren't thinking, you weren't putting your priorities right. Your main priority should have been your baby, your main, whatever it is, because every child deserves to have both parents in their life. You understand me? A single mom, in my opinion, although a single mom try to do her best, but single moms, children need their dad. We need to get away from this thing that, oh, we can be mom, and that, no, we can be mom, we cannot be dads. You understand me? And especially, matter of fact, boy or girl, both kids need their parents. So I'm hoping that she comes out.
That'll cause problem. So me sure you know. You didn't hear your phone, right?
Yeah.
Look at this receipt. Look on that. You say me not play. Or should I say them not play or we not play?
Yeah, I saw the visa transfer, yeah.
And the name and everything.
Yeah.
Alright. So you see my name. My name is it?
Yes.
Alright. So a big ball game, man. Big ball game. But me soon give you more detail on how it go or so forth.
Yeah, please do. Alright, so just I mean,
I think the receipt only going to show when Ivany come. Like, once she show her face, then we can release receipt. Because she's one of the biggest receipts, you know. But she had the main receipt have to come out first, then we can release other receipt. Because I don't want to release the receipt now and she's still there. When she come out, then we will show all of the receipt them. And we think by now and tomorrow, we will get that information.
okay.
But I don't feel like, I don't know. I just feel like she'll come out, but I just don't know when. And I don't know if she did come out. I don't know if she'll come out or not. You know, but that's the thing. I'm kind of confused. I think she'll come out, and then my ear says she'll come out, and then I'm not sure if she'll come out, and my ear says she's still there in there. So it kind of really get me in a frenzy of a mindset. But I think she'll come out, but I'm not sure yet.
So hold on a minute. I mean, so you're trying to send a little mixed signal here. Like, she come out, if she come out. I mean, if you know she come out, right? Or if she don't want people to know she come out or she not come out. It's either yes or she not come.
But the question is, does the bail approve?
Me no know. No.
Ask the CIA if she's out as yet, please. Okay, thank you very much. The president said because I'm in Delaware and I'm from Delaware, yes. The president said he think he heard that she was out, but he's not sure that she was out. But someone informed him last night that she's out, but think that she's still in there. So all right, Mr. President. So I have to go confirm that myself. So the president is saying he think that she's come out, not showing that she'll come out.
I don't want her to be deported. I'm hoping that she comes out and something is able to be worked out where she can learn from this situation and grow from it. You understand me? I just hope that it work out for Ivany. Jaja. Bye. Ivany probably sit down nice still and say, if me did know. You should have done the right thing. But anyway, guys, as I said, today's video, we're just gonna be doing a bit of chit chat here and there. So we covered L.A. Lewis and him Guzo, where DPP Paula Llewellyn. We just finished talking about Ivany and the predicament that she finds herself now in the US of A, separated from her 3-month-old baby. She breastfeed and her breast probably swell up and hurt her. But as I said before, they weren't thinking about the child. So guys, I hope you like my video. Like and comment and subscribe. Most importantly, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, guys, subscribe, like, share, comment, and we'll catch up with other stories.